Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the one-step buttonhole foot of the memory machine model Touch-Tronic 2001. We're gonna be using the general purpose needle plate. Bring this one-step buttonhole on the center under the shank. Make sure that the shank is over the presser foot pin. Lower the presser foot lifter. Press firmly that it will snap to the pin. Then check if it attached. Turn the machine on a low setting. Put the button on the carrier. Push the clamp back with your left thumb. Hold this needle thread with your left finger. Lower the buttonhole lever. Touch the straight stitch. Lift the presser foot lifter and turn the machine handle towards you until the needle enters the plate. Continue doing it until the bobbin thread rise up. Place this crochet needle in between the foot and the underplate and bring this both the top thread and the bobbin thread diagonally to the back. Place the fabric in between the buttonhole foot and the underplate. Align the mark on the horizontal red guide on the foot and center the center line on the fabric with the diagonal vertical line on the foot. Lower the presser foot. Touch the buttonhole symbol and the red light will comes on both the buttonhole symbol and the pattern repeat symbol. The red light on top of the pattern repeat symbol indicates that when the buttonhole is completed, the machine will stop stitching automatically. Then start the machine. So the needle stopped working, meaning that the buttonhole is already completed. Raise the presser foot. Raise the buttonhole lever and remove the fabric. Snip the thread. And we're gonna cut the center of the buttonhole. We have to put the pin on the both ends of the buttonhole to protect the bar tacks. And then cut with a sharp knife. You could always clean up the center of this buttonhole foot and always check if the button will go inside the hole. And if you want to adjust the space in between this buttonhole, you have to adjust in here. You can press this 4 dashes here and adjust the width and the length, because this machine was pre-programmed to the number 3 width and the length is number 7. So this is the result of that program. If you want to adjust the space, you have to start first from the pre-program settings and then adjust from there. And now this is the result of the settings of 7 and 3. This is how to make the buttonhole on the one-step buttonhole foot of the Touch-Tronic 2001 memory machine. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye for now.